Welcome back to Azimuth Business on Wheels. We are bringing you a special and a uniquely designed food truck that we have built for our client right here in Noida. Anna Express is a food truck that is serving South Indian food in the NCR. Our team at Azimuth has designed this truck in a different way. If you can see in the images that we are showing you, all three sides of the truck are open for easy access and smooth operation of cooking and serving its customers. The open three sides ensures that the truck owner will always keep the food truck clean. Anna Express in Noida is now a popular joint on weekends. So start your food journey soon. With the right menu, right team, right location, and most importantly, correctly designed food truck, you too can get on the food business journey. Call Azimuth today.